Hey guys, today we're going to check sceneries on Instagram. And from here, we're going to launch our Instagram application. And let's say, for example, if we tapped on the reel, and let's say we decided to go to our hubs and then decide to scroll without refreshing our Instagram, and then decide to go back to the reel, we still be able to find it. If we decided to like, comment, then we decided to share. So once we tap on our profile, then tap on the three lines, then tap on the saved, and it is that we did save it, and as you can see, here it is. Another thing we can try is to tap on your activity. In the case that you get liked it, we are going to see it, as you can see it's here. In the case that you did comment on it, we are going to see it here. As you can see, it is here. And I think guys, you're watching this video, please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.